Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mangoes, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using mangoes. Hopefully this will help you out. Try grilled mangoes. Cut each side off a mango to remove the stone. Lightly cut the flesh of each side into cubes, and being careful not to pierce the skin. And then carefully pull the edges of the skin backwards while pushing the center upward with your finger to make the cubes stand out. Brush them lightly with oil of your choice if you want to, that's not mandatory. Place them flesh side down on a medium hot grill for 1 minute until they're lightly charred. Then remove them from the grill and season them as desired and enjoy. This process does not take long. Try roasted mango. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the two sides from a mango, removing the stone, and lay the slices on a baking sheet with the cut side up. Top with a small amount of sweetener of your choice, brown sugar, honey, maple syrup, if you want to, whatever you want, and sprinkle a little ground cinnamon on there. Roast in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the topping is bubbly. Remove from the oven and remove the skin. Enjoy it as is or with a topping of your choice. Try serving mango cubes with your favorite yogurt. How about making popsicles with pureed mango? Or top pancakes or waffles with cut mango, then drizzle with maple syrup. Oh, that sounds yummy. Include mango in smoothies. Dice mango and add it to a salsa. Why not? Add diced mango to a quinoa or other grain salad. Now this concludes part one. This is a two-part series because I have quite a bit of tips and ideas for you. So stay tuned. I will have a link to the part 2 video below in the description box. Take care and bye for now.